Hello friends, this is Elangovan from Elangovan Digital Marketing. Here we are going to discuss about the latest updates of digital marketing and how to start digital marketing from scratch. In this video, I am going to share my screen to teach you what is the first process of digital marketing we need to do. Watch the full video, then only you can understand the whole process of digital marketing. Let's jump into the screen and I am going to share you the step-by-step methods what I am doing.
For learning purposes, I am going to take this website as an example. So we are going to audit this website, how it is working and what kind of the information the website need to change like this. First of all, we need to collect the data from the website. What are the details we can collect? We can collect it. Just this is the website called preferred roofingc.com. So already I collected some data from this website, the name of the businesses. So this is the name of the business I already collected, and the URL of the business. The URL of the business is this. So that also I pasted in my data sheet. And title, description, keyword, what are the title they are given and what are the description they are given and keywords, and it is secured or not. So we are going to see in depth what are the details and how to collect these kind of the details from the website without having a login control. Just to go to the website and right click in, and you can see here the option called view page source. When you click on view page source, it will be redirected to the another page. At the page you can find out the title. So here is the title presented. You can copy the title and neatly paste on the Excel sheet. After that, we need to know if the website is using a description or not. So you can see here the meta property description is using here. So you can copy the information from here and paste it on your Excel sheet. And also you need to find out if they are using keywords or not. I do not found any keywords are using in this website. Maybe we can suggest them to add a keywords, and you can find if there is any keywords are presented here, means you can just find out here. So keywords, so there is no keyword found 0 by 0. So the site is not using any keywords. So I put here as in here is no keyword is found. Next, we need to find if the site is secured or not. Just you can move on here and click on arrow. The site is not secured. Once your site is secured, means you can see that your site is secured, and it will be intimate as in green symbol. So I put here the site is not secured. We need to analyze how many pages are presented in this website. I found here it is an 18 pages is presented in this website. So I copied all the links of the page and paste in my data sheet. And also I copy the contact information about this business. So you can go to the contact page and find out the contact details here. You can copy and paste in the data sheet. And also I found the phone number. I just copy the phone number and paste in my Excel sheet. If they had an email ID, means you can copy the email ID and paste in this Excel sheet. But I do not found any social medias here. If they are, if the website has any social media, just copy the social media links and paste in your Excel data sheet. Fine. Now I collected whatever the details I can from this website. The whole website is looking good. The design is not a problem, but we can suggest some information to change them. First of all, the URL is good and the title is good and description is good, but the keyword is not presented. We can suggest them to add a keyword in a website, because the keyword is the most important thing. Helps search engine to identify your website. It will be helpful for identify your website for a perfect keyword by a search engine. So we can suggest them to add a keyword, and the site is not secured. See here, the site is not secured. Once the site is secured, the people will trust your businesses, then buy your products or services. And also it will be helpful for ranking on a search engine also. If the site is not secured, means the Google will think the site is not secured, so the result will be not at the first place. When your site is changed as in secured, it will be very helpful for ranking also. We are going to suggest them to change it as HTTP. So I suggested them to change it as an HTTPS. So it is, even they are changing the HTTPS, they can see the organic growth of their website. After that, I can suggest them to add a social medias also, because I do not found any social media in their website. When they are placing their social media, the peoples who are come to visit this website, the peoples may follow your social medias, and they can get in regular updates about your services or product. So before starting an SEO, we need to change this kind of the information. What are the factors that affected the SEO? And once we had an login details from this website, we can do an on-page SEO. We can change the title and we can add the keywords, and we can do on HTTPS, and also we can add some social media. If they had no social media, means we can create the social media for us, and we need to optimize the social medias also. I hope in this video you learn about how to collect data from the website without having a login control, and you just need to send this Excel sheet to the business owner. Just you can contact them. So here we do not have any email ID to send here, so you can send as a contact information here, and they can give you an email ID, so then you can send the whole data to the website owner. This is very simple concept. We need to collect the data from the website. I hope this the video will be very helpful for you to starting and digital marketing. Just follow my upcoming videos also to learn more about digital marketing and what are the procedures is included. So I am going to share my screen in every video, so that will be helpful for you to understand better things, and also you can execute this. So you can take in many example sites and you can go through on it, and you do an website audit. If you are doing your own businesses, then you can do an audit for your own website also, then you can change the details whatever it is. So I hope this the video will be very helpful for you. Just to follow my upcoming videos also. Thank you for watching my video.